How to fix your booking.com verification failed problem. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or you could also try restarting your router. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and verify your email address, meaning you need to use a valid email and check your inboxes for the verification email from your booking.com application. If that is not the case, you want to also enter the correct phone number with the country code and make sure you can receive SMS code. If that is not the case, you want to make sure that you have entered the verification code itself correct. And if none of it is working, you want to check your App Store or Play Store if there are any updates available, or you could also go ahead and contact support at go.booking.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.